Okay, let's resume. We're talking about the intelligent functions of the cameras. We now talk about the video structure. So the video structure is basically the properties of a video, or maybe the properties the camera can extract from the scene. So the video structures comes in terms of if you're going to do functions like face recognition, you'll be able to know if the person is wearing glasses, the person, what age the person is, and etc. If you're going to do number plate recognition, you'll be able to know the color of the vehicle, the model. So that is the terms of video structuralization. We have other function called people counting. So people counting can be done in two ways. People counting in a particular region, or maybe people counting when they're crossing and entering a particular city. We also have cameras that are dedicated to achieve the specified functions. So we talk about the camera's accessories. So the camera's accessories comes in terms of different that will help you to maybe do installation and provide easy support and functioning. And we have this mount tester. So a mount tester is a very important camera accessory, because with the mount tester you can do functions like setting IP address of a camera, setting the name, changing those parameters, that is in terms of image, changing the brightness, resolution. It's a very handy tool, especially if you are project-based clients and you do this a lot of installations. So it's good to have this mount tester. Some models even support it as a multimeter. Even this one support as a multimeter. So and then you have the housing, the lens, the mount, illuminator, storages. So the housing is basically the body for the camera. For the accessories in terms of bracket, we have different installation methods, and we have different brackets that we provide. So we have brackets for wall mounting, we have brackets for ceiling mounting. We have the parapets, which install at angles. We have the corner brackets. So if you want to install a camera in a corner of a building, we have the plain brackets and the pole brackets. And also we have for the dome cameras and the bullets, we have the different mounting brackets, like for the wall mounting brackets. So different models for different application scenarios. So for the power supply, we also have different kinds of power supply. So a normal 12 DC volts. Then we have this one, which you can feed the live here. So you feed the live wires here and you get an output of 12 volts from this end. So you can install inside maybe in the lift side on the wall. Then we have this kind of AC adapters that are used with PTZ cameras and UPSs. So for camera accessories, we have the power supplies. We have the SD cards. So these are just basic information. Pickup, I talked about pickup before. Pickup is used to enhance the sound of the environment, and also to do noise reduction or interferences. The illuminator is used to increase the brightness sense. So I think most of this one you have encountered in traffic space. Other tools include the drill and tester. And then we have the software part of it, which help you to configure. We have the config tool or the toolbox. So you can download toolbox. And then with the toolbox, it's a bundle of softwares. With toolbox, you can have config tool, project design tool and camera calculator inside that software. They will have another session for these softwares for DAWA. So that's all regarding the camera introduction part. So I think let me cover a bit of, let me end the training for today. We cover a bit of so actually we have, if you want to cover basic knowledge of recorder, it's going to take some time. So we'll do this other training. I'll make communication in the group, then we can do another training. But for today we can end it from this point. Meanwhile, you guys need to register for the e-learning platform so that you can access these materials. So what you do, go to dawasecurity.com. After going to dawasecurity.com, then go to support, then go to training. So after going to training, you can go to online course here. So if you're not registered, you'll be able to be told to register for the same. So I want you guys to register early enough. So register so that I can approve you in the system and be able to access the materials, because if you can't register, you can't access these materials here. And from my side, I can see that we only have few people who have registered, but not from the people we talked yesterday about registration. And even today, there's no one who has registered. So no one has registered from Ethiopia, and ensure you indicate your country at that point so that I can approve you and be able to access the learning materials, and at the end also the exam materials. So apart from that, if there's no question or maybe something, everything is okay, we can end today's training. That's point. I meet next time. I'll make a communication in the group regarding the same. So you guys can have a nice evening. So any question or maybe something that needs to be confirmed, you can address it in the group that I created on the WhatsApp.